Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by ensuring the AED is powered down and the pads are detached so you can access the battery compartment. Once done, inspect the replacement Zoll AED Plus battery for an intact seal and good expiry date. This ensures reliability during a rescue. Make sure to work on a flat, dry surface and use a flashlight if needed to see the compartment latch. You'll unlock the battery bay using the visible latch. Do that next to proceed with the swap. You now release the latch and pull the depleted battery straight out to avoid damaging contacts. Once removed, inspect the connector area for corrosion or debris. You want a clean contact surface for reliable power transfer. Next, align the new Zoll AED Plus battery pack so the gold contacts match the unit's connectors and slide it in firmly until you hear a click. After seating it, make sure the latch fully engages. This locks the battery and readies the AED for power-up. You finish by powering the AED on and observing the status indicators. The Zoll AED Plus will give audio prompts and a steady green light when ready. Once powered, confirm pad readiness and review the unit's self-test or error display to verify proper function. This step prevents surprises in an emergency. If a fault appears, make sure to reseat the battery and clean contacts, then retry. If the error persists, replace the battery or take the device out of.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.